landmarks, everything will be changed. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು we have taken a very major development. From today, the Ramnagara district has been renamed. Earlier, it is from the Bangalore district itself. It was changed to Ramnagara district. The headquarters stands remain in Ramnagar, but the district will be called as Bangalore South District. This is number one. And as far as metro is concerned, third stage of metro, we have approved the 40,000 crores, 40,425 crores has been approved for the third stage. We are just going into the project. Number two. Number three, on the solid waste management, 33 wards there was a court case. Court has decided in the government favor. We have given us 4 months time. So we are going to make 33 separate areas, packages, 33 packages. In some constituency, in every constituency, one package. And few constituencies, there are big constituencies like South, Madhepura and all those areas, we are doing 2 packages. So it will be 33 constituencies. Packages will be done. Within 4 months, we have to complete and submit to the board. This is the decision from the government. And then as far as the BDA is concerned, there was a lot of land we have connected to various organizations, institutions and all. No one has paid the interest. So we have given them, we are just paying up all the interest, and within 120 days we will ask them to pay the principal of that, so that one-time opportunity we have given. Government will be losing about 230 crores in debt on the interest part, but still it is a social obligation for all the CSAs where some temples are there, some petrol pumps of PA government is there, some community organizations are there, so we have given them an opportunity for that. Thank you.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ TDS ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈದಾನದನ್ನು TDS ನ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಮರ್ಚನೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಧ್ಯಂತರ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್
ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್
ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಕೇವಲ ಹೆಸರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ
ಯಾರು
ಹೆಸರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಕಾರ್ ನೋಡಿ
ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್